Never would have guessed it in 100 years or more. I'd meet a lone-lab angel like I'd never seen before. She grew up where the sun does run all across the sky, sweetened her up nice like strawberry wine. I crowned her in my mind, oh my strawberry wine. I ain't cut out for royalty, never saw myself a king. No bluebird in these veins, just a mountain boy with dreams. But I got caught up in a love like a storm down in the Gulf. The high winds wreck my ducks, the water rusts my locks. My brave locks the rocks of my strawberry queen. I ain't the first to pledge my service to the crown. I know her subjects in the past have let her down. Treacherous fools never come around this time. Oh, I'd throw my fist and give them hell and stand my ground for my strawberry queen, my strawberry queen. Well, hi there pluckers. I have a sore fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting little lesson for you. Some of you may have heard this song, but probably a lot of you haven't. And it's a song from a gentleman called Charles Wesley Godwin, and the song's called Strawberry Queen. Okay, simple chords, but a bit of intricate picking and hammerings and stuff going on here. So there's a demo for you. That's basically the intro, first and second verses and the chorus, and then the rest of it is basically the same again. It just does another verse and another chorus, and that's the end of the song. So I'll come back to you shortly and show you how I played that for all those that would like to know. Okay, thanks very much for listening. See you soon for the lesson.